That was a mission. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the world of airbrush makeup. If you guys aren't subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I'll upload 1, 2, or even 3 times a week. Whew, se me fue el aire. With that being said, let's get started. So for today's video, I am going to be using my Temptu compressor, which is the 2.0 with the SB40 gun. So I'm going to start prepping my face because some of you guys have been asking, do you prep your face? Do you add primer? And the answer is yes. So what I like to do first is add a little bit of eye drops because I do wear glasses. So I blink a little bit. I'm going to use the Lancome eye primer. So next, I'm going to grab my Temptu serum, my quart 7 here. Just going to add just a bit. Just washed my face earlier. For my primer, I'm going to be using the base primer. So I'm just going to be adding a 1 drop. A 1 drop goes a long way. Just going to put it on my T-zone, smear it out, and then right here on my forehead. Now I'm going to turn it on. And as always, it's always best if you have a roll of tissue. Go ahead and use it. Remember, it's always best if you spray before you spray yourself. That way you'll know that the color is coming out smooth and the pixels are coming out right. So I'm going to start with my brows, and I'm going to be using 3 drops of Underground. So that's 3 drops. Where is my stencil? So I'm going to go ahead and grab a disposable lip applicator, and I'm going to go ahead and clean. So next, I'm going to move on to my natural beige color. And this is going to be placed right in my lid and a little bit above it. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 drops. So I'm going to go ahead and pull lightly my eyelid and then spray and then drying. So I'm drying. Gonna spray and dry. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the remaining color into my brow bone area. So pretty much just dragging it all over my eye. So I'm just gonna spray out all the color, but I'm not gonna clean it, whatever's left. So you guys see, nothing came out already. I already sprayed out all the color. I'm gonna go in with mauve, and I'm gonna be adding, let's go in with 3 drops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and back bubble. So that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna lighten up just a bit that pink undertone that it has. I think I want it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and relax my eyes. Kind of want it right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray. So my cut is there, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place my stencil and sort of drag this same color like if it was a eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke it out towards my eyeliner, towards my eyeline. Did I say it right? I'm gonna go ahead and smoke it out and then get close. Again, I'm gonna close it, and then get close. Okay, so it's better to do it little by little than to go in all crazy and then not being able to fix it. Just gonna close this. Smoke it all the way in. Okay. And then adding just a bit, just on my outer V. Okay. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my outer V and then drag it in. Next, I'm gonna connect. And for my next color, I'm gonna be using the color Villain, which is a nice dark purple, but whatever's left from the same color, I'm gonna add 2 drops of this, back bubble, and mix. So all I'm gonna do this time is hit my stencil. And then drag it in all the way in. So I'm gonna do that by steps. Kind of hit my stencil and then drag it in. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is just start spraying my outer V, but a far distance. And then doing it by layers, stopping and seeing if I need more or less. I think I need a little bit more. And sort of drag it in. So what I'm doing is just combining the colors little by little. I'm gonna start with my outer V, spraying and drying, stopping and seeing where I need more. And then slightly dragging it in towards the cut. And whatever's left, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the bottom of my eyeliner. Okay. Mi mano siempre me estorba. My hand's always on this way, so on my right hand side it's a little bit more difficult. So for my eyeliner, I'm gonna be using a JetBlack. I'm gonna spray, making sure that the color is coming out. Gonna go ahead and grab my stencil again. That's one pass. And two pass. And there you go. And lashes are on, and then what I'm going to do is seal my lashes, and all I'm doing is with the same black just going in on the lash band. As you guys can see the glue. I'm going to go ahead and seal them. Ooh, I'm loving this. Moving on to my foundation, I'm going to be using the Temptu Perfect Canvas, and this is in the shade 4W Nude. By the way, if you guys want to purchase anything off of Temptu, go ahead and use my code Airbrush MUA by Z, and you get 15% off. And this is what my face looks like without any foundation. So I'm actually going to spray half of my face with foundation and half without, so you guys can see the difference. So when I'm getting close to my eyelashes and my makeup, I like to cover it with a stencil. And I don't worry too much in the nose area because, again, I do wear glasses. I'm gonna cover my brows. And there you go, guys. This is with foundation and this is without foundation. Let me know down below if you guys are able to see with and without foundation. Again, if you want to do full coverage, just add more couple of if you guys want to do a full coverage, go ahead and add more drops and just keep layering them. Layer, 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 and keep moving. Don't stay in the same position. You want to keep moving, or either spray and dry and spray and dry. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other half. And if you got it into your hairline, all you do is grab a tissue and rub away. And the cool thing about it is that this makeup will last you the whole day. So if I touch, nothing comes out. So moving on to my contour, I'm going to be using Temptu Perfect Canvas as well. And this is in the shade 10C Caramel. All I'm going to be adding is 5 drops. Whoops. So I'm going to go ahead and spray a tissue, make sure the color is coming out properly. Nice. So I'm going to go ahead and contour my cheeks. Just browns them up a bit. And lately, guys, I've been skipping on blush. And that's because I've been loving this bronzy look on me. This is one side. A little bit on my papada. I am gonna go in with highlight, and I'm gonna be using the color Champagne. Go ahead and remove the cover, pop this little plastic out, and insert. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and leave it in speed 2. And this is without highlight, okay? So this is without highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and spray here at the same time mixing it in. And look at that highlight. Look at that glow. So again, I'm gonna spray in my highlight and then at the same time mix. Look at this highlight. I messed up. I meant to grab the champagne color, but it's okay. I grabbed the highlight in the shade gold. It's cool. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with white shimmer. 2, 3, a couple of drops of that white shimmer. I'm gonna be mixing it in. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix those 2 colors in. Do you guys see now? Go ahead and do it to the other side. Okay, see, now you guys can see the highlight. And for my lips, I'm using Moira, and this is a Lush Matte Cream. And there you go, guys. Let me get up close. Thank you guys so much for watching, for liking and commenting. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now. You guys don't know how happy, oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys, I am loving this makeup look. You guys don't know how happy I get when I'm able to achieve and complete a makeup look. I am very, very, very happy with this. Like, I am loving it. It's just something that I feel deep down that I'm very happy right now to edit and show you guys how I achieved this look.